But it's Friday and lots has been happening in the markets, on the cricketing field, and of course, so many things to watch out for. Anuj is here to get us up to speed on everything. Anuj, good morning. Records galore for the Indian markets. How are you feeling about that? And what's the order of the day looking like?
Morning, Sonia. You know what? The market all through this week gave you nice opportunities to buy intraday dips. First 15 minutes, the low of the day was made. I think now we are starting at a point where the risk reward is extremely unfavorable. I'll just present this table. We revisited this yesterday also. Every day, the low has been made in the first 15 minutes and the market's been closing almost 200 points higher than that. The problem is that now, with yesterday's low at 23,805, if that is your trading stop, in that case, if after today's gap up, we open at 24,150, that's 350 points away. So technically, the Nifty can go to 23,900 and still be in an uptrend, still make a higher low. That's the problem for the market. Also, if you look at the F&O data, the rollover of 76% this time around, which is the highest that we have seen. And I think the FI long exposure. We started June series with 13% long positions, and we had the biggest, ever rally. And we're starting July series with 82% long positions from FIs, 3.19 lakh long contracts. If everyone's buying, who's selling? It's just corporates, right? And that's why you're seeing so many block deals, almost 3 or 4 block deals every day. Put call ratio at 1.49 versus 1.31. Again, an indication that this is now an extremely elevated and overheated market. And you don't know where the trigger would come from. But normally when the market's this elevated, normally the trigger comes from somewhere. Coming to levels then, on the Nifty, the first resistance is 24,150 to 24,200 based on weekly options, and then 24,400 to 24,500 based on monthly options. The support comes in at 23,800 to 23,850, yesterday's low and weekly options based, and then 23,650 to 23,750 on the monthly options. I leave you with quote of the day, and this one's, of course, from the legend, my all-time favorite, Muhammad Ali once again. And this is an interesting one. People run in packs because they don't feel safe alone. I run alone because I don't feel safe in packs.
All right. Well, legend indeed. Anuj, thanks very much for